Good morning mga kabaka. Today I'm gonna show you another mob. Then we are feeding this one. This is called father beet. I'll show you how it looks like. This is like a carrot. This one, heavy thing, and they will eat this one and also this one. All right. Oopsie. Please excuse my attire today. Hindi naman siya rainy, but I need to wear this because it's frosty. It's weather here. Okay guys, come on. So we're not going to wind this one. So we're just move this to around 2.5 meters today. And then this is a power reel, so it's around 5 amp, so it's gonna give you a shock. So these gloves, guys, this is insulated gloves, so you will not get shocked out of this like this. So you no, hindi ka maano guys, hindi ka ma-electric shock. So it's gonna move around 2.5 meters. I'm gonna show you. Just 2.5 steps. And you can adjust later anyway. Well, this is a step later. This. Yeah. Cows, dig in. Hungry. We will just move 2.5. Okay. By the way, guys, should have backup fence, this one. So meron din siyang power like this, so para if in case na mag-break out, may backup fence tayo until here. So this. Yeah. Sarap balot. Balot.